You wake up at 3:14 a.m., no alarm, no reason, just awake. And now your brain is doing complex math about a coffee you bought in 2019. Here's the twist, that wake up isn't a malfunction. It might be the one thing your body still remembers how to do right. We've been sold sleep as a straight line, one block, lights off to lights on, like a car parked overnight. But for most of human history, sleep wasn't a line. It was a hinge, two halves, folded around one quiet hour. Historians even have names for it, first sleep and second sleep. Go back a few centuries. No streetlights, no gas lamps. People went to bed not long after sunset. Slept a few hours, then, like clockwork, woke up in the middle of the night. Not in a panic, on purpose. That hour got used. It was practically scheduled. Monks built entire prayer schedules around it, a whole nightly service timed to that exact gap. Others just talked, low voices in the dark, the kind of honesty that only happens when nobody can see your face. Some got up and tended the fire, practical, quiet, necessary. And some, let's just say, used the hour exactly how you'd expect, no judgment. Biology had a schedule too. Physicians at the time even prescribed that hour, the best window of the night for clear thinking or writing. Some doctors even called it the healthiest hour of the night, full stop. So what killed the hinge? Not evolution, not biology, a product. First, it was oil lamps, cheap, reliable, artificial light. Night stopped being empty. Then gas lamps turned entire streets bright. Night stopped being something you simply endured. Then the light bulb arrived and turned night into a second daytime. Factories didn't care what your ancestors' bodies were built for. Shifts needed workers awake on a schedule, not awake on instinct. Somewhere in there, the alarm clock got invented, and that quiet middle hour got edited out completely. Here's the part that should annoy you. Nobody told your nervous system the schedule changed. Sleep researchers actually tested this. They recreated the old conditions in a lab. No artificial light, just long, stretched-out darkness the way it used to be. Within weeks, test subjects fell right back into that same two-part pattern. Nobody taught them to. It's apparently the default setting. So that 3 a.m. wake-up you've been medicating with blackout curtains might not be insomnia. It might just be your body quietly running software older than the light bulb. Modern medicine calls it maintenance insomnia and hands you a prescription. But for most of history, that same wake-up had a name, a purpose, and a place in the night. So next time you wake up at 3:14 for no reason, maybe don't reach for your phone. Reach for whatever tending the fire looks like in your life now. Your ancestors would understand completely. They just didn't have Wi-Fi to ruin it. We didn't invent sleeping through the night. We invented feeling guilty when we don't. If your brain runs on Stone Age software too, subscribe. We're just getting started.